Welcome to the Prosperity Soundtrack, a guide that has helped thousands harness the power of meditation for wealth and success. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, this video is your first step towards a prosperous life. Before we begin, find a comfortable, quiet place where you can sit or lie down without interruptions. Use headphones for the best experience, as we'll introduce you to a special frequency known to attract prosperity. Throughout history, certain frequencies have been associated with healing, growth, and attracting abundance. Today, we focus on the 528th frequency, often called the miracle tone, believed to bring transformation and miracles into your life, promoting wealth and prosperity. Let's start with a breathing exercise. Inhale slowly through your nose, counting to 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 4. This will calm your mind and prepare you for meditation. Close your eyes. Imagine a golden light surrounding you, representing the prosperity coming your way. Picture yourself achieving your financial goals, feeling the joy and freedom that comes with abundance. With each breath, this golden light becomes brighter, filling you with confidence, peace, and prosperity. Now, as you continue to visualize, we'll introduce the 528th frequency in the background. Allow this sound to enhance your meditation, deepening your connection to the energy of prosperity. Repeat the following affirmations either aloud or in your mind. I am open to receiving prosperity. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. I am worthy of success and wealth. Gradually bring your attention back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this feeling of abundance with you throughout the day. Remember, the prosperity soundtrack is a tool. You can return to any time you need to reconnect with the energy of wealth and success. Outro. Thank you for joining us in this journey towards prosperity. Like and subscribe for more guides to enrich your life. Remember, prosperity is not just a destination, it's a journey. Start yours today.